start clapping. That's the smart people. But the alcoholics. Wow. You got this up?
So, yes, if they weren't happy, they would be sitting and jumping around. There was seven.
I've been like just kind of doing that, like.
Can we give this gentleman a round of applause? He examined the knife, he helped the guy in need. Alright, so we've got the knives, but first, I want to show you my favorite thing to do, which is called 6-ball juggling. I'll say it again. When I say it again, can you pretend to be impressed? Okay? Then we move on with our lives. I'm gonna do some 6-ball juggling. Perfect. Thanks for the spontaneous response. Andrew and the other guy, what was his name? Lear, risking their lives for your entertainment. So you give them a proper round of applause. Guys, well done. And now, last trick, I'm gonna juggle the knives. This is actually my favorite part because there's always an extremely beautiful volunteer who comes into the show and gets me the knives. You look very responsible. Can you be the one to help me with the knives? You don't know? Just try it. What can possibly go wrong? Give her a round of applause. What's your name? Julia. Where are you from? Italy! You came all the way from Italy just to see my show. What a waste of time. Alright, Julia, can you take one knife and throw it at me? No, I prefer the throw. I'm sure they prefer the throw. I would also prefer the passing, but we need to create a chance for something to go wrong. Because that's why they're watching. Shame on you. Okay, Julia, can you just step back, okay? Can you hold it like a normal person? And you throw like this, yeah? Not like this. No. You're not good at this? Me neither, it's okay. A perfect match, okay. So you try to aim for the hand, and if it works, everybody's gonna clap like crazy. If she misses, everybody spit. Alright, good luck. Yeah, this way. Yeah. Okay, I'll count you down, yeah? Let's all count down from 3, okay? Everybody. 3, 2, 1. You got this. Oh, that's okay. I'll get it. You get it. Can you just stay over there? Stay there and try to aim for the left hand now. Everybody. 3, 2, 1. Hey! That was a very good catch. Well done, Julia. Can you take knife number 2? All right, she's getting good at this. Okay, knife number 2. That's knife number 3. She doesn't care. Okay, aim for the left. That's right. Left hand, yeah? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was awesome. Round of applause to Julia. Take the last one, please. If she makes it, make her feel like a princess. If you miss, I'll throw these 2 back at you. We have a deal. All right, here we go. Everybody count down from 3. Everybody. 3, 2, 1. And up. Wow, you got overconfident. Okay, we'll try it again. Don't worry. Oh yeah, they're coming back. All right, left hand, yeah? Everybody. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it's getting worse. All right, can I get somebody else? Julia, I'm not changing it, okay? Just remember how it was when you got the throw, yeah? Well, people, give her all the energy. Everybody count down with me. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Thank you, Julia. You're a star. Awesome. And now, people, last trick. I'm gonna juggle these monsters. Ooh, okay. Should I make it more difficult than it has to be? Yes. Thank you. I'll do it. I'll try to throw one of the knives under the leg, which means I'll have to take one foot off the pedals for a moment to make that throw. Hands up if you believe I can do it. That's the smart people. Hands up if you don't believe I can do it. At least you're honest. Hands up if you want to see me fall and die. Welcome to London. Alright guys, before I die, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Fish Mike from Czech Republic, and I am a professional street performer. Thank you. Better reaction than my parents gave me. But we all know how it works on the street. At the end of the show, if I'm still alive, I'll take off a hat and everybody will run forward and give me all their money. You got very quiet. Don't panic if you don't have money, no problem. Stay and watch the show, it's fine. I have a card reader. Everybody say hooray! Alright, so yeah, you can use that, but if you can't afford to pay, that's alright. Come and say thank you. Please don't just walk away, because that kind of lets me know that I did a bad job, and I think my show was nice. If you're not sure how much to give, I can help you. The average donation is £50. Okay. Usually people give a small note, £5 or maybe £10. We're in central London, that's like buying me a beer, and I think for a show like this, with all the danger, all the comedy, all the sexy volunteers, you know who you are, I think that's worth it. 5 or 10 is great. Sometimes it happens. If you give me £20, you make my day. If you give me £50, I'll make your night. I don't do that. Not anymore. Alright. Here we go, people. I notice when I talk about the money, the energy kind of drops. But please realize, if I didn't talk about the money, I wouldn't get any money. So can we please bring the energy back up by some clapping and cheering, just for the last time. Everybody, thank you all for being a supportive audience. And now everybody, hands up. We're gonna do the finale. Everybody else, hands up. Even the cool people, even the alcoholics. And give me one clap. Together, one clap. Louder. All right, one more, and keep it going. Very good. All right, louder. Okay, faster. All right, when I start juggling, go crazy. Clap, clap, clap. And make some noise. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to go for the under the leg. Can I get a woo? Okay, stop clapping. Stop clapping. It makes me nervous. Instead, can you guys count me down from 100? Okay, now, let's make it from 5. Everybody, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Can we try it again? 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, hey, people, I'm still here. Thank you. Okay, but the hardest trick is getting down. Can I ask all the children to make a big pile? No, it's fine. It's fine. We've got